Hi everyone, this is Paul from VIEZU. I've not been using my F Type for a couple of weeks. We're in the Corona lockdown at the moment, and the F Type doesn't have a particularly boot for panic shopping, so I've not been using it very much. I've come to take it for a run today, and unfortunately I've got the old flat battery issue. So I wanted to do a very quick video to show you how to get an F Type started with a flat battery. If your salesman did a good job when he handed the vehicle over, you may already know this, but if not, the chances are the first thing you want to do is reach for the owner's handbook to see how to get entry to the vehicle. Of course, the chances are your owner's handbook is probably in the glove box and you can't get to it. So I'm hoping this video might be of use to those people that need to get into their F Type. I'll keep it short and brief for you. So, taking your F Type key by hand, as you'll see, obviously flat battery, no way of getting into the car. You'll notice on the top of the key, there's a little arrow just here. This indicates the direction that the top of the key slides off. So applying a little pressure across the back, top, the silver part moves forward, and that can then be removed. Inside, you'll actually see what is the replacement spare key. So this is then removed, like so, giving you a key into the car. But where do you put the key? Let me show you. Okay, so taking your newly found released key, where do you put it? On the F Type door, you'll see a button here. Push this area, and as you'll see, obviously the handle pops out. Holding the handle out, you will see just underneath there, I know it's a little bit dark, you'll actually see a keyhole. I find it very easy when you're doing this to actually use the L-shape element of the key, so it comes straight. That doesn't give you very much of a turn, but by putting it on the 90 degrees, you slide that into the keyhole, turn it like that, and hey presto, you're into the car. The next thing we want to do, of course, once we've got the door open, is get the car started. And for that, we need to get some charge in the battery. Now, the battery on these cars is actually in the boot. But what you may not know is under the bonnet, there's a very handy charging point. So here is your earth. So you need to connect a battery charger to your earth here, and the positive is just here. So this cap comes off, and inside you find a little positive charging point. So to confirm, you can put your positive battery charger onto here, your earth onto here, get some charge into the battery, and let's see if we can get it started. Okay, so we've had it on charge for a couple of minutes now. This charger is putting out about 25 amps, so it shouldn't take too long to start at all. Just before I started though, I was going to quickly cover off. If you've got a Jaguar XK, key looks incredibly similar, and the magic key, the hidden key, is in exactly the same place under this chrome part on the key ring, but the key hole, the part where you open the boot, is actually behind the number plate. So on the F Type, it's underneath the door handle. On the XK, it is behind the rear number plate, and the boot holds the battery at the back of the boot area, so you can charge the battery from the boot area. Now, I've not started my Jag now for probably about 5 weeks, and the reason, of course, the battery's gone flat is these cars are crammed with electronics that don't necessarily fully shut down. So the tracking system is always permanently powered, as is the SOS system. So in the olden days, you could leave a car potentially for months and months and the thing would still start, but now these cars do tend to go flat in quickly as about 4 to 5 weeks. Now, I'm not going to run off and drive this car straight away. I'm going to allow it to warm up first fully. It's not been driven for quite a while, and in truth, what I should have been doing is every weekend I should have been out here starting it, letting it warm up nicely for 15 or 20 minutes if I'm not driving it, or better still, have it on a trickle charge in the garage, just slowly keeping the battery condition up. But hey, that's not always the way of the world, so let's just check she starts now. It's been a long time since I've heard her start, so let's see what we get. Lovely, music to my ears. Thanks guys, hope to see you all soon. Bye.